What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're just going to show you really quickly how to redeem a code on Xbox. Over on Xbox, it's very simple. All you have to do is head on over to your store. Now, once you're here, over on the left-hand side, you just scroll down to redeem. Now, these codes are going to be given to you by game developers, or maybe someone bought you a code for extra time on Xbox Game Pass or something like that. This is where the codes are going to go. So let me grab my code real quick and put this in, and we'll show you guys what we got. Although if you guys have been here for a while, you probably already know what kind of game this is. Alright, you guys, so we have put in our code here. Then once you're done, you just hit start, and here we go. We got Hidden Through Time 2. I love indie games. Make sure you check this out if you have a chance. I like to promote them. But that is simply how you redeem Xbox codes on your Series X, Xbox One, Xbox 360 even, possibly. I don't know, are 360s even around anymore? I have no idea. Either way, I love y'all's faces. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure that you sub, and I'll see you on the next video.